All right, so this is AP World History. This is the 7-day challenge, and this is day 3. So I'm just going to go over SPICE just so that you know what it is as you're using it to review your 50 terms. So just as a refresher, you might use SPICE. You might use something else like Sprite or Pirates or Grapes. They're all the same things, but they're just ways to remember the AP themes. So we have social, we have political, we have interaction, so that's interaction with the environment. We have cultural, and then lastly we have economic. Okay, so these things are going to be used all throughout the test. You're going to see them in every kind of question. So some of the quick key terms that you can use to remember what they are talking about. Social is gender, race, and class. Things having to do with the society. Political is government, laws, conflict, power, right? Anything having to do with that authority. How do people get in charge? How do they remain in charge? And then interaction, ways that humans are interacting with their environment. So something like migrations or disease, or things like agriculture. If we're seeing them extract materials from the environment, that would be a form of interaction. In terms of cultural, we have things like religion, science, art, architecture, technology is a big one. Right, so anything having to do with our culture, what makes us who we are, what how we think, and the kind of the backgrounds of what we do. And then finally is economic, so that's pretty much the money one, right? So this is trade, jobs, currency, anything having to do with money. Okay, so as you're going through and actually sorting them, just make yourself a chart. Just kind of, turn a piece of paper sideways. Yours will probably look better than mine. Make yourself a nice little chart, SPICE. And then you're going to organize the terms. So, if someone I'm guessing that Hitler was not one of your 50, but if he was, he could be under political, right? Someone like Rachel Carson could be under environment, because she has to do with environmentalism. Someone like Jesus is going to go under cultural. A lot of these people could obviously fit on more than one, and some of them could fit in every single one, but for the most part you're just going to choose one to really think about, how do I want to identify this person? What's their biggest impact in history, and where would they fit in terms of that? Okay, so go ahead and sort all 50 of your terms in. They don't have to be equal. You might find that you only have a few over here, but the political ones are nice and long. That sometimes happens, so that's okay. So just sort them where you think they fit, and that's going to help you understand and remember the terms.